Today I'm going to show you my remake for Zombie Shootout game by Warfame. He has a YouTube channel, you can check it, the link out in the description. And I also want to thank him for making this project. So I remade it, as you can see. Pause this game now. Now there's no wave system, there just the kills are displayed here. Also remade the shop, as you can see. The design is now quite well with the background, so I can upgrade my gun here. So as you can see, press P to open the shop and Q to close the shop. So now you can see the gun is very cool. I have infinite money, so it is not displayed here. It just shows 999. Actually it is more than a billion. You can check it out on Scratch website, link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.